In today's video, we are going to show you how to disable pop-up blocker in Mozilla Firefox. Let's begin. Now, open Firefox and make sure you are connected to the internet, and then hover to the top right corner where you can see the three horizontal lines, and then go to the settings. And I want you to click the privacy and security, which can be found on the left side area of your navigation, and then scroll down to where you can see the permission section right here. Okay? Now, all I have to do is very simple. For you to be able to disable pop-up blocker in Mozilla Firefox, I want you to check the box icon here. Okay? So, doing this, block pop-ups and third-party redirects. However, okay, instead of turning it off completely, why not create an exemption? All right? This is super useful for websites like online banking, government portals, or business tools that require pop-ups to function properly. So in our case, I'm going to be choosing our YouTube channel. If you haven't already, you might want to click the subscribe button so you'll get notifications to our latest content. So here, I'm going to allow this and click the Save Changes. It's super simple, and basically that's it on how to disable pop-up blocker in Mozilla Firefox. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.